The QuadC platform allows administrators to create and manage their services, events, and workshops from one central place. The Events and Workshops feature allows students to view upcoming events in a calendar format. They are able to use search filters to narrow down their search, such as filtering by service, filtering by type, whether they're looking for an online or an in-person event, and much more. From the admin portal, administrators can create and manage their events via the Events and Workshops tab. The administrator must first choose a host to host the event. They can then click on a date that they wish to add the event to and fill out the details of the event. The details of the event include whether it's a one-on-one, group, or drop-in session. Also, the event name, the time of the event, the type, the campus and/or location if the event is in person, and the number of attendees. Changes can also be made to events, if necessary, by clicking into the event and updating its details.